Sharper is not always better. Surprisingly, blade sharpness has little to do with high-performance blending. Vitamix uses hardened stainless steel blades. Their shape and laser-cut edges pulverize ingredients on a molecular level. Some competitors rely on flimsy, sharpened blades that dull over time, resulting in a loss of consistency. From the first blend to the 1000th, Vitamix blades deliver beautiful results. And not, well, this. Vitamix, engineered to change your life.
Everyone wants to be smart with their nutrition. But what if there was a smarter way to help you reach your health goals? Introducing the world's first smart nutrient extractor, NutriBullet Balance. Balance isn't smart just to be smart. It's smart to help you transform your health faster and easier. It connects to an app on your smart device. When you're making a smoothie, the smart sensor sends nutritional information in real time for every ingredient. So you can see the calories, fat, carbs, protein, and more that go into every smoothie. Hey, walnuts are great, but be careful. The fat and calories can add up fast. The app also features hundreds of customized recipes, and you can sort them according to your wellness goals. So if you're diabetic, low sugar paleo, or just want more daily energy, you'll only get recipes that match your particular needs. Balance is simple to use, and it can save time and money by keeping track of the ingredients you have on hand. It can even create a shopping list for ingredients you need to pick up at the market. So why is all of this a big deal? Because it can make a real difference in your life. Studies have shown that substituting one meal a day for a healthy smoothie can lead to real health benefits, and there's nothing smarter than that. NutriBullet Balance. It's not just about smart technology, it's about what smarter technology can do for you.
The Black & Decker XL Blast Drink Machine is all you need to create frozen drinks, creamy smoothies, and delicious cocktails. Made of durable Eastman Triton plastic, the XL 72-ounce jar holds all your party favorites and family-sized smoothies perfectly. With 4 speeds, plus pulse, and a powerful 650-watt motor, the XL Blast tears through ice and delivers perfectly consistent blends every time. The preset auto function makes margaritas, daiquiris, shakes, and smoothies easier than ever. Keep your drinks cool for hours in the innovative insulated chill sleeve. The reclosable pour spout and removable shot glass are the finishing touches that complete your XL Blast party. Whether serving blended drinks for yourself or a group of 12, the Black & Decker XL Blast Drink Machine is a life of every party.
We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is NutriBullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The NutriBullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the NutriBullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is NutriBullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the NutriBullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The NutriBullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and the 18-ounce cup, ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The NutriBullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. NutriBullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.